These 20 hidden Range Rover functions are only known by 1% of drivers. Most Range Rover owners only use a fraction of what their vehicle is capable of. Today, we're revealing 20 hidden functions dealers rarely mention. Before we begin, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. 20. Your Range Rover can automatically lower itself every time you park. If your Range Rover is equipped with electronic air suspension, it can automatically lower itself every time you park. Most owners know they can manually select access height, but very few realize the entire process can be automated. On supported models, simply enable automatic access height in the vehicle settings. Once activated, the suspension lowers automatically when you shift into park, then returns to its normal ride height the next time you drive away. Lowering the vehicle makes getting in and out easier while reducing the effort needed to load luggage or groceries. Land Rover engineered this feature to make everyday ownership more practical, quietly taking care of one more task for you every time you park. 19. Your Range Rover can unlock. Even when the key fob battery is dead. Nothing gets an owner's attention faster than seeing "Smart Key Not Found" appear on the dashboard. Your key fob stops responding, the doors won't unlock, but the solution is usually much simpler than expected. Every modern Range Rover key contains a hidden mechanical emergency key. Use it to unlock the driver's door, then place the key fob in the designated backup location inside the vehicle. Even with a completely flat battery, the passive transponder can still be detected, allowing you to start the engine normally. Land Rover engineered this backup system so a dead key battery wouldn't leave owners stranded. A dead key fob doesn't have to end your journey. You just need to know where Land Rover hid the backup. 18. You can lower every window before you even reach the vehicle. On a hot summer day, the inside of a parked Range Rover can become unbearably warm within minutes. Most owners unlock the doors, climb inside, and wait for the climate control to cool the cabin, never realizing they can vent the heat before they even open the door. If your Range Rover is equipped with global window control, simply press and hold the unlock button to lower all the windows simultaneously. On supported models, holding the lock button raises them again, making it just as easy to secure the vehicle afterward. Land Rover engineered this feature to improve comfort before the journey even begins. Most owners think their key fob only locks and unlocks the doors, when in reality, it's capable of much more. 17. Your Range Rover can open the tailgate without touching it. Standing behind your Range Rover with both hands full is exactly the situation Land Rover had in mind when they developed one of its most overlooked convenience features. Most owners fumble for the key fob or struggle to reach the tailgate button while carrying shopping bags or luggage. If your Range Rover is equipped with the gesture tailgate system, simply make a smooth kicking motion beneath the rear bumper with the smart key on your person. The vehicle automatically opens or closes the tailgate after detecting your movement. Land Rover engineered this feature to make everyday loading quicker, easier, and completely hands-free. 16. Terrain response. Auto already knows which mode to use. One of the biggest misconceptions about owning a Range Rover is that you need to constantly switch between terrain response modes yourself. Most owners assume they have to choose the right setting every time conditions change. In reality, the vehicle can often make that decision for you. If your Range Rover is equipped with Terrain Response 2, simply select Auto. The system continuously monitors traction, steering, throttle input, transmission behavior, and surface conditions, automatically adjusting the drivetrain, suspension, and traction control in real time. Land Rover engineered Auto mode because driving conditions rarely stay the same for long. Instead of constantly changing settings, the vehicle adapts automatically to maximize traction and stability. Most owners rely on manual modes, when in reality, Auto is often the smartest choice and one of the most capable features their Range Rover has. 15. Your Range Rover can show you exactly how deep the water is. Driving through standing water is one of the quickest ways to damage any luxury SUV if you misjudge the depth. From behind the wheel, it's surprisingly difficult to tell how deep the water really is, especially at night or on unfamiliar roads. This is exactly why many modern Range Rovers include wade sensing. Using ultrasonic sensors mounted in the mirrors, the system continuously measures the water surrounding the vehicle and displays the depth on the touchscreen in real time. As you approach the vehicle's maximum safe wading depth, visual and audible warnings alert you before costly damage can occur. Land Rover engineered wade sensing to eliminate guesswork and help drivers avoid expensive water damage. Most owners never use wade sensing until they truly need it, but when that moment comes, it's one of the smartest features their Range Rover already has. 14. Your Range Rover's infotainment can be restarted without turning the vehicle off. Modern Range Rovers rely on sophisticated software to control everything from navigation and climate settings to cameras and vehicle information. While it usually works flawlessly, every owner will eventually experience the occasional frozen touchscreen or delayed response. Most drivers assume something has failed, but the solution is often much simpler. If your Range Rover is equipped with Pivi Pro, simply press and hold the volume or power knob until the display switches off. Release it, and the infotainment system will reboot automatically without restarting the entire vehicle, making it much faster than cycling the ignition. Land Rover engineered this feature because even modern software can occasionally experience temporary glitches. Most owners assume a frozen screen means a trip to the dealer, when more often than not the solution is already built into the dashboard. 13. Your Range Rover's wipers have a hidden service mode. Replacing windshield wiper blades sounds like one of the simplest maintenance jobs on any vehicle, but on many modern Range Rovers, it isn't. Most owners try lifting the wiper arms as they would on any other SUV, only to find they stop against the edge of the hood. Modern Range Rovers include a dedicated wiper service mode. Activate it through the vehicle settings or, on some models, by holding the wiper stalk after switching the ignition off. The wipers move into a vertical service position, giving full access for cleaning or blade replacement before returning to their normal position. Land Rover engineered this feature to prevent damage while making routine maintenance much easier. Most owners don't discover wiper service mode until they need it, by which time they've already learned the hard way that the wipers don't lift like a conventional SUV's. 12. Your Range Rover remembers every driver automatically. If more than one person drives your Range Rover, you've probably adjusted the seat, mirrors, and steering wheel every time you swap drivers. Most owners press the memory buttons or readjust everything manually because they assume that's the only option. On many modern Range Rovers, the memory system can be linked directly to each smart key. Once your preferred seat, mirror, steering wheel, and, on some models, climate settings are saved, the vehicle automatically loads your personalized profile the moment you unlock the door. Land Rover engineered this feature to make every journey effortless, yet most owners never realize their smart key can personalize the entire cabin automatically. 11. Your Range Rover can see straight through the hood. Parking against a high curb or driving over rough terrain often forces drivers to guess what's directly in front of the vehicle. From the driver's seat, the hood blocks your view of rocks, curbs, deep ruts, and other low obstacles. If your Range Rover is equipped with ClearSight ground view, cameras create a live view of the ground hidden beneath the front of the vehicle, helping you navigate trails, avoid curbs, and park with greater precision. Land Rover developed this technology to eliminate one of the vehicle's biggest blind spots. Most owners think it's just another parking camera, when in reality it's showing you what your own eyes never could. Before we reveal the top 10, if you've learned something new, like the video and subscribe. The smartest hidden Range Rover features are still ahead, so let's get straight into number 10. 10. Your Range Rover can park itself. Parallel parking is something even experienced drivers occasionally avoid, especially when the space is tight or visibility is limited. Most owners make multiple steering corrections before squeezing into the space, never realizing their Range Rover can do most of the difficult work for them. If your vehicle is equipped with Park Assist, activate the system as you approach parked cars, and it begins scanning for a suitable space. Once it finds one, the Range Rover takes control of the steering while the touchscreen guides you through the maneuver. You simply operate the accelerator, brake, and gear selector as instructed. Land Rover engineered Park Assist to make maneuvering large SUVs easier, more precise, and less stressful. Most owners think Park Assist is only for inexperienced drivers, when in reality it's a smart feature that makes one of everyday driving's most challenging tasks faster, safer, and easier. 9. Your Range Rover can keep you stationary without holding the brake. Stopping on a steep hill or sitting in heavy traffic usually means keeping your foot on the brake. Most drivers do it instinctively, never realizing their Range Rover can do it for them. If your vehicle is equipped with auto hold, the system automatically keeps the brakes applied once you've come to a complete stop. Simply lift your foot off the brake, and the vehicle remains stationary until you press the accelerator, releasing the brakes smoothly without rolling backward. Land Rover engineered auto hold to reduce driver fatigue while improving confidence on hills. Most owners mistake auto hold for the parking brake, when in reality it's a separate convenience feature that makes everyday driving noticeably smoother and easier. 8. Your Range Rover can precondition the cabin before you even get inside. Walking out to your Range Rover on a freezing winter morning or after it's been sitting in the summer sun usually means climbing into an uncomfortable cabin. Most owners start the engine and wait for the climate control to work, never realizing the vehicle can prepare itself before they even open the door. If your Range Rover is equipped with remote climate preconditioning, simply activate it through the Land Rover Remote app or schedule it through the Infotainment system. The vehicle automatically heats or cools the cabin and on supported models can also defrost the windows or warm the seats before you arrive. Most owners think it's simply a luxury feature, when in reality it's one of the most practical conveniences their Range Rover offers. 7. Your Range Rover can lock away your personal information in seconds. Handing your Range Rover to a valet, service technician, or even a friend means trusting them with more than just your vehicle. Navigation history, saved addresses, phone contacts, and personal settings are all stored within the infotainment system, yet most owners simply hand over the keys. Many modern Range Rovers include Valet mode. Activate it. Create a personal PIN, and sensitive information remains locked while the vehicle can still be driven normally. Land Rover engineered this feature to protect your personal data without affecting everyday usability. Most owners think Valet mode simply limits performance, when in reality its greatest purpose is protecting your privacy whenever someone else gets behind the wheel. 6. Your Range Rover can raise itself, even higher when it gets stuck. Getting high-centered is one of the quickest ways to stop even the most capable four-wheel drive vehicle. When the underside rests on the ground, one or more wheels lose traction, and most drivers assume recovery is their only option. Many Range Rovers equipped with electronic air suspension include extended mode. When the vehicle detects the chassis has become grounded, the suspension automatically raises even higher than the normal off-road height setting, often providing enough extra clearance to free the vehicle and regain traction. Land Rover engineered this feature to react automatically when every inch matters. Most owners never experience extended mode, but when they do, it's one of the smartest hidden engineering features their Range Rover has. 5. Your Range Rover can remember your favorite driving setup. Most owners adjust the same settings every time they start their Range Rover. Whether it's the seat position, climate temperature, steering wheel, or driving mode, they assume they'll need to do it all over again each time they get behind the wheel. Many modern Range Rovers let you create personalized driver profiles that store your preferred settings. On models with key-linked profiles, simply unlocking the vehicle with your smart key automatically loads your seat position, mirrors, climate, media, navigation, and other saved preferences before you even start the engine. Land Rover engineered this feature to make every drive feel personal. Most owners think the memory system only moves the driver's seat, when in reality it restores your entire driving experience the moment you unlock the door. 4. Your Range Rover's cameras can wash themselves. Backup cameras have become something most drivers rely on every day. But rain, mud, dust, and road grime can quickly leave the lens covered just when you need it most. Most owners assume they have to stop and clean it by hand. Many modern Range Rovers include camera cleaning nozzles built into the bodywork. When you activate the windshield or rear window washers, high-pressure jets spray washer fluid directly onto the camera lenses, keeping the view clear for accurate parking guidance and obstacle detection. Land Rover engineered this feature to maintain visibility without any extra effort. Most owners know their Range Rover has cameras, but very few realize it can clean them too, quietly maintaining a clear view whenever conditions become less than ideal. 3. Your Range Rover can recover traction before you even notice you're slipping. Losing traction isn't always dramatic. Most of the time it begins with one wheel spinning on wet grass, loose gravel, snow, or mud. Most drivers instinctively press the accelerator harder, never realizing their Range Rover is already working to restore grip. Behind the scenes, terrain response and intelligent driveline dynamics continuously monitor wheel speed, steering, throttle input, and available traction. The moment a wheel begins to slip, the system automatically redistributes power while adjusting the brakes, transmission, and differentials to keep the vehicle moving smoothly. Land Rover engineered these systems to react faster than any driver could. Most owners think four-wheel drive alone makes a Range Rover so capable, when in reality it's the intelligent software behind the system that truly sets it apart. 2. Your Range Rover can see traffic. You can't. Backing out of a parking space is one of the most common situations where accidents occur. Large SUVs naturally have bigger blind spots, making it difficult to spot approaching vehicles, cyclists or pedestrians. This is exactly the situation Rear Cross Traffic Alert was designed to prevent. If your Range Rover is equipped with this feature, radar sensors hidden behind the rear bumper continuously monitor both sides of the vehicle whenever reverse gear is selected. If something enters your path, the system immediately provides visual and audible warnings, and on some models can even prepare or automatically apply the brakes. Land Rover engineered this technology to detect hazards beyond your line of sight. Most owners think the backup camera is doing all the work, when in reality the radar system is often the feature quietly preventing an accident before they even see the danger. 1. Your Range Rover can unlock, start, and drive without the main key. Imagine spending the day hiking, cycling, kayaking, or relaxing at the beach. Carrying an expensive smart key risks losing or damaging it, while leaving it inside the vehicle isn't much safer. Most owners assume they have no better option. If your Range Rover is equipped with the activity key, simply lock your primary key inside the vehicle and wear the waterproof wristband instead. Hold it against the designated sensor to unlock the vehicle, and once inside you can start the engine just like you would with the standard smart key. Land Rover engineered this feature for owners with active lifestyles. Most owners never realize their Range Rover includes the activity key, but once you use it, it's hard to imagine outdoor adventures without it. Your Range Rover is capable of far more than most owners realize. You already own these features, you just need to unlock them. If you learned something new, like the video, subscribe, and thanks for watching.